Hi, I'm Konstantin with Eleni Product Development Team, and today I'm answering a very common question. How can I get my product manufactured? And the long story short, you need to go through 4 steps to get your product made. First, get the design ready for production. That typically entails 3D CAD models, 2D drawings with dimensions, a bill of materials, and the instruction on how to assemble and pack your product. Second, make a production sample. That's basically a prototype that will allow you to evaluate the production methods, make sure everything fits and looks great before you invest time and money into mass production. Third, figure out how to actually do the production. And here you have a few options. First, you can actually get all the equipment and hire people and establish your manufacturing facility to get your product made. Second option is you can find a contract manufacturer who would be able to produce your product for you, put your labels and logo and things like that. In some instances, you may need to find several companies to work with. One that would, for example, make the parts, the other one that will assemble them, and the third one that will pack and put everything into retail packaging. In some instances, you may be able to find a company who would do it all. And fourth step is hit the play button and get the production started. And that's how you get your product manufactured.